my entry model, like first, how can I say? First, I tried to enter on the, the ICT 2020.
2022?
2022, yes.
Yeah, the FEG model, yeah?
Yes, FEG model. First, in my first years, I was trying to look at, and I was trying to find the entry with his models. But now currently, if you try to find, it is very, very hard. Like if you wait to break the structure, you will not have nice RR.
No.
It may not come back. It may not come back and give you, and that's why I looked at this when I saw, like this is like, you can see 1.5 pips, 1.5. Let's say 2 pips. 2 pips tight. Stop loss. And how much? Yeah. Yes, and how much I'm gonna win if I win?
Oh yeah, the potential is pretty good, yeah, especially based on a daily FEG, yeah.
And you can see, like I was looking at 150 pips, and you can see it becomes like 30 RR.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. Okay. So
it becomes 30 RR. That's why I don't.
Yeah. So what's your?
If I see good RR, yes. If I see good RR, this is becoming 100 RR, but I have my second positions lower.
Okay.
First I check if I am getting a nice RR. If I am risking low, very, very low, I don't wait for the break of structure. I will not wait for that. If I have if I am having good RR.
Okay. So you're just selling.
I don't wait for that.
You'll just sell when price approaches a higher time frame level. You won't wait for any kind of confirmation to the downside.
Yes, especially if I see that London session gives me an entry, like comes back.
Yeah.
I think this is the most confirmation. Especially in here, my second entry, I show you. There was a equal highs in here. You can see price did not touch it, right? You can see price did not touch it, but this is Pepperstone broker, and it did not touch it in this broker. But on every broker, you can see these equal highs were taken in London.
Oh really? Okay. All right. So you look at other
yes,
brokers'
even in the FundedNext servers. Yes. My second, this is my second entry. This was in here.
Yeah, that's a good entry. Back retracement really deep back into premium, equal highs, buy side run. Yeah, makes sense to short it down to the lows that were printed at sort of 109.55. Yeah, sure. Yeah, that's a pretty good trade. Just that in itself.
Yes, and 1 second. And my entry, the entry is the most important than exit is the most important than the entry.
Yeah, indeed.
And my entry was in here. I saw price was not gonna come to here. I realized. That's why I got out in here, I think. Let's see.
That's a good run. That's
How did I know price was gonna reverse from here? How did I know? I was looking at the news.
Oh really?
1 second.
Which events do you use mainly?
1 second. I was looking at the news. There was like three news in a row. speed. One second, let me check the date. Wednesday 22.
On the 22nd.
Yes. Look, you can see the news. The first news was bad for the US dollars.
Mm-hmm.
The second was nice, like good, like bearish, bullish, bearish. First, I was looking at, and price in this news, price was dropping very, very hard. You can see but the news was bullish. News was bullish, but US dollar was dumping. No.
The dollar was pushing higher. Yeah.
Yes, dollar was pushing higher, and but how can I say? Like, there was not much news backing it.
No,
the news were not backing it. Yes.
So this was literally just a stop hunt. Yeah.
Yes. When the third news come out, I realized that the news were very, very against me. Then I got out. You can see 10:30, and this is also 10:39.
Yeah.
10:30.
Yeah, somewhere around there. Sure. Plus, it had pushed lower into a previous swing low. Yeah, grab some liquidity.
Yes.
And then yeah.
Okay. Exactly. Even in here there was, I think, 4-hour FVG.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it's a stop hunt for sure. So don't expect price just to slice through the lows for sure. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No, it's good. Good trade. Like it.
Yes. Actually, I have many more strategies. I don't just use one, but I use all of them complex. All of them combined.
Yeah, you combine different confluences looking at. But by the sounds of it, you tend to
all
look
of
at
them.
quite a bit of ICT's concepts, FVGs, break of structures, FVGs,
Actually,
that kind of thing. Yeah.
Yes. Actually, I don't trade like that.
Oh, okay.
I don't trade like how ICT does. But I have learned things from him, and I have made my own strategies based on the ideas, based on the knowledge I gained from him.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good way of taking it. Yeah. He's got some useful ideas. It's good if you can take what he's given us and make your own strategies from them. And then that's a perfect idea.
Yes, exactly. Like you cannot use the strategy of others because you don't understand how they think or how they like every strategy. Like if you create your own strategy, that strategy is fundamentally based on your psychology, your knowledge, your emotions. You create your own strategy. I think everybody should create their own strategy.
Have you backtested this strategy?
Yes.
Yeah.
1 second, I show you. Yeah, I was gonna tell you about why am I thinking price should come back to here. Like I have also learned from the gun.
Yeah.
Have you studied these studies like?
Not extensively, no, but I'm aware of the quarters and things like that. But what do you use?
Okay, now I show you something.
I'm more of a wick-off smart money trader than GAN. I mean, I know GAN is
But some of his ideas actually make sense.
Yeah, oh sure.
Let's say in here, price, the top price was 1.60420.
Mm-hmm.
Like when you do it like this, the price comes out, right? 100 copy. Like in every 360 price reverse. I think he has something. He has this kind of idea.
Okay. So from the top there at 1.6, 124 is
Yes.
okay, roughly at that swing low. Right. Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You can see the this top. Yes, this is the top. And when you minus that number, the next resistance or support or resistance comes out.
Okay.
And this one works even in lower time frame, especially daily or weekly.
Okay. So demonstrate that on a weekly or
You
a
should
daily?
minus. Yes, I have done this. Like the first thing, everybody does their technical analysis on the higher time frame. My higher time frame analysis is this one. In higher time frames, I take the price in here. I add 360. The next in here, support or resistance comes out. And if you see, like, if you can tell me if you have enough time. If you want, I will show all of them, like one by one, if you have enough time.
Sure.
Because I think it's
ahead.
taking a little bit time.
Yeah, maybe show us one more or two more examples, and then we'll move on.
Okay.
So the weekly you added 360 to that low, and that gave you that expansion.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
The first one, even you don't have to just minus everything. You can just measure the pips. How many pips? It is 360 pips. Let's say in here, 360 pips is coming to here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Price goes up, and this is the Monday. You can see Monday is opening in that range. It closed upper side, but it opened in that exact place.
Yeah.
And it is going up. And the next one, 720. 720. You can see price. Once the price broke it down, and it retesting it and going up.
Interesting. Okay.
You should.
And this works.
Yes.
This works on Eurodollar. Actually, as any other pair.
Everything. On everything. But I think we have limited time. That's why I did not show everything. But in your time, like when you have time, you can look at this much detailed, like drawing the trend lines, and you can see how the price is even reacting in here, because price comes back.
Sure.
And yes, and this is one of my trades strategy, and the second strategy is the Fibonacci time. You know, the price goes according to the Fibonacci levels.
Yeah.
Let's say the ICT has his own logo. Yes. Like very few people understand what is actually in that logo. You know the ICT's logo.
Yeah, the Fibonacci logo. Yeah.
Yes, those are Fibonacci, and actually the price moves like that Fibonacci, like 3, 5, 8,
13, 21. Yeah.
21.
Okay.
Yes, 32.
Okay. And you use that in
price moves like that. Price moves like that, but also the time moves the same.
Yeah. Okay. Can you
Time
draw that?
and price, they move the same rate, right?
Can you draw
That's
that on
why
the chart?
Yes. Let's say the 2020, the whole year. I will show you whole year. February, January 2020. Okay. In here, the new year begins. Okay. Fibonacci time zone. And you can see the every Fibonacci candle. You can see in here the Fibonacci candle. It is touching the time, right?
Yeah.
And you mark it as a support and resistance.
Right. Okay. And when that's broken, price goes down. Okay.
Yes.
I see.
And
so how did you hang on? Let's go back. Go back to the start of the year. You marked out January the 1st. Your first Fibonacci range was at 1, obviously. That was the first swing low, swing high?
Yes, the first swing low. Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Then, and you mark everything, like every candle that touches as a support and resistance.
Yeah.
Because in my analysis now, this one was it was coming to here, because this one was my biggest resistance zone. Like you can see, if you draw the Fibonacci levels on the price, the Fibonacci levels becomes resistance and support, right? And as well as if you draw the Fibonacci levels on the time, that time also becomes support and resistance.
Yeah, I see. So you're doing this on the you're doing this for the year. I'm assuming you can do this for the day as well, or the month, or the week.
Yes, I have done this. Okay. The most reliable time zone, like if you want to know for the year, because I have tested this, I have back tested everything. The 4 hour works for 1 year.
Okay, so what would you use for daily?
For daily, it is very, very like 2 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Yeah. No. Lower time. Yeah.
For daily, you should use like seconds.
Oh really? Wow, that low. Okay.
For monthly, you should use 3 minutes. I have checked this. The most reliable time frames.
Okay. What about for the week?
For the week.
If you wanted to know where the support and resistance were likely to be printed for the week, which time frame would you use for that?
Let's say no. You don't have to go much lower. You should know. You should only know how the bigger time frame is. Where is the support and resistance zones in the higher time frame. Let's say 4 hour, 1 week, weekly, daily. That's all. You don't need to go to weekly to know that. And all you have to do is just and these levels, price has to check, price has to retest this level, right? I showed you from the gun, like every 360 price reverses or retest, reverse or retest. That's why first you wait now, because this is the opening of the new months. That's why in the opening of the new months it retest. If the retest run to upside, price comes and continues on the bullish trend. If it wants to go higher,
otherwise it will collapse to that level.
Yes, but it is also the end of the year. Resistance is not coming from, like, let's say, and this is the daily up. My reason is time, because you can see time Fibonacci.
No, Blizzard, you're breaking up.
We draw the line for whole year. We draw the line. Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you now. Yep.
Okay. This is the most important. This is important because it matches the time zone FVG.
Right.
Because we draw the time zone FVG for the yearly, for whole year, right? In here.
Yeah.
And in here, if you see the time zone Fibonacci is matching, especially in here.
Yeah, I see that.
Time zone FVG.
Yeah, good resistance.
That's why this is very, very important. Strong resistance zone. And because it is such a strong, it touched that level, and price is coming to the second, the most strong support zone to here, like 360 level.
Yeah.
That's why price, like, because this is end of the year, price might consolidate in here because both of them are very strong.
Yeah.
But if price is very, very, like, more bullish, in the first week it retests and goes up like this.
That's what you're expecting for the new year.
Yes. I'm very, very bullish. I'm very, very bullish.
Bullish euro, bearish dollar, yeah?
Okay. Yes.
And obviously, breaking that 1050 level would be confirmation of that higher prices.
Yes.
Okay.
Especially, like, yes. And also, this is, you can see the 1 second, I show you.
You use Elliot wave
This
as
is
well.
first. Yes. 1, 2.
This is the third wave, and now we're in wave 4, are we? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so this is like wave 4 consolidation before a final push higher. Okay, yeah.
Exactly. This is 3 in here, and 4 is becoming in here.
Yeah, just building 4 now. So like you say, we could consolidate here for some time before that final push, and then we collapse. Yeah, okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Maybe we will see, like, ABC confirmation. Let's say for Wednesday. For Wednesday will be high of the day, high of the week. In here will be A, B, C, go.
Yeah, or it could be complex. It could go on triangle, A, B, C, D, E. yeah, the number of things could happen here, couldn't it? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
But
Who
we should
knows?
look at this area because this
Yeah,
is the
yeah,
area
yeah.
where the 4 will
Yeah, that's the
come.
support. That's the previous breakout, so it makes sense to see. Yeah, if support is going to be found, then that is where support will be found. Yeah, sure. Okay.
Especially
Alright.
the stop loss, all of them.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. All right. Well, thanks for all that. That's fascinating. So Fib time zones, Elliott wave, combination with GAN and some smart money as well. Wow, that's quite a combination of strategies.
Everything, yes, combination
Yes.
of everything.
Why not?
Being-
Why not?
Being profitable is not easy. Like you cannot have a setup every day. That's why you should know everything.
No. I sure. Okay, and obviously going for the higher time frame levels allows you to target these big moves. So yeah, great risk reward strategy there. Okay. Well, thanks for your time. I'm gonna have to cut it off here, but yeah, good luck with the funded account.
Thank you.
And hopefully speak to you again, Bezos.
Yes.
Okay. Cheers. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.